Hey kids, welcome to the first of many of games that I'm going to be recording on the 360. This is the 360 right now. And it's time for... That's right, Brothers! Because fuck Dark Souls, I'm not going to be playing that for a while. I am going to play it, don't worry about that. It's going to be a lot of me screaming and yelling and thrashing my throat. But this is the game that started it all for me, doing all this anyway. It looked interesting, and it was for free on the 360, so I was like, hey, why the fuck not? Little did I know that it was just full of shit. So I have played it through. I played it through to completion, but this is a lot of these games that I'm touching down on the 360 that are free, or that were free if you were a gold member. I'm gonna be doing like just the one episode reviews of, unless you guys want me to do a whole series of them. But this one was interesting. I'll say that it was good, bad, interesting. It's just different. I don't know really how to explain. So let's get into it. Time for plot. Actually, there's not much plot. Like, I thought that I had bad download, and like, voices didn't get downloaded the first time because the download was weird. But they don't speak English. They speak. I don't know what it is. It sounds like gibberish to me. The controls are weird, and I'll touch down on that once we get actually into the gameplay. But for me, the only thing that they got going for it is the art. And, yeah, we're gonna deal with, like, I'm sorry if, this is in another language that I just don't recognize, but I didn't find any language options to it. I didn't even find any subtitles or anything like that, so to me it just sounds like it's gobbledygook, which actually is a language. It's the language of the goblins. Yeah, gobbledygook. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Okay, so he couldn't save his mother, and now she's dead. This is Ghosty-goo. It's all your fault! You're a terrible son! I wish you had died with me.
Nayi! Nayi!
Did you hear that? Like, is that a language to anybody? I generally want to know. Okay, so this dude is sick. And here we go into the gameplay style of it. Well, a little bit more plot. So he's sick. We're trying to help him. That's all that we know. See, I played through it, so I know what's really going on. But this is all that we know now. Well, since I'm doing a one-off, I guess I'll kind of get into it. Apparently, he's your father. Okay, so this is how we do it. Yeah, this is how it gets controlled. Big brother is left trigger, and you have to hold. Little brother is right trigger, and you have to hold. Now, how you move is little brother is the right joystick, big brother is the left joystick. So you have to work in tandem with the joysticks, and it gets very, very confusing. But look at how pretty it is. Look, it is astounding. It reminds me of Fable. The way the artwork is being done, but it's so pretty. It really is. Like, that's okay. See, the joystick thing is just tripping with me, and especially with the camera as well. Okay, so now that we're on here, can't go any more forward. It's Big Brother. Yeah, Big Brother has to go and pull this because Little Brother cannot. Little brother is too weak. Okay. Okay, so now here. Also, this is a poorly designed town. Let me just say that, like, to get from oh my God, this is okay. That dude goes here. I know that. Okay, and this dude goes here. Correct. Yeah, I don't think there's anything down there. Okay, so I do that, and I do that, and hoop and over. Okay. Okay, and then yeah, I know. Drop, drop, drop. Do the thing. Do the thing. Do I have to hold it? Yeah, I have to hold it. Okay. My apologies. Up, 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 up. What I learned to do is kind of keep them together. That way, my joysticks are. Wait, which way is it? Oh, I have to twist it too. Twisty, do the thing. Okay. So that I keep them together, so that I can just coordinate quite well, and I can't still just do. Oh!
Hey.
For all I know, he could be my grandfather. I really don't know. And he's my dad. And he's sick for some reason. He's coughing a lot, that's for damn sure. But like I said, the story is basic. There's no English options. Like this. I mean, you can get it mostly from what's happening, but still. English options, please. It's not that hard. It could even be crap voice acting. It really isn't that hard. And I'm sorry if I'm bagging on this language. I'm trying not to be. It's just give the option at least. Oh, excuse me. Yeah. Oh, that tastes nasty. So can I do anything here? I can look at.
Abba,
Yeah,
Najiyada.
Waliamaba, Iada.
Can I get them both to do it? Nope. Okay. Okay, so see, I get so turned around trying to control them both. It's effing ridiculous. But again, look how pretty it is. It is so pretty. It is very well done. Can I climb over this? What can I do? Can I climb? I want to climb. I want to climb it. I want to climb up. Come on, I can climb over that. Okay. Gotta go down here. Whee! Oh yeah, and ever since his mom died, like, he's terrified of water. It's bad enough. That's what I heard. See, they have to overact everything. You could have had very simple... You could have done it yourself if you had the passion for it. So, big brother goes in, little brother on his back. Big brother crosses. I think this is where I'm supposed to go. Watch me just fall off a huge ass cliff. You're just like, ah! See you later, brother. And then once you get close, like, you go. Okay, so you get up here and hut. You get up here and hut. And I just do it both because I had to go that way because the dude on this dude's being a dick. Did you just say you smell my farts? Okay. So little brother there. Big brother there. Oh yeah. Hup. And hup. Let go and catch on. Okay. Up. Up. Okay. I gotta get these fuckers together. Okay. It takes a lot of concentration just to try and control them both on screen. It's very difficult and could have been done a hell of a lot better. And I know I missed a whole bunch of stuff, like achievement-worthy stuff, so we're just gonna see. There was something in here, like I had to sit on a bench or something. Ah, come on. Oh. Yep, okay. So I want little brother to check out the flowers, see if there's anything to it. What a dick! What the fuck? What a huge dick! What the fuck, yo? That's not even your plant! So is this. Is it an achievement? I don't know. Can't remember. Or do I need both of them to sit? I don't know. Let's do this. Oh, come on. Get the fuck over there. Let me sit down on it. It's a... Look how pretty it is! It really is! Very beautiful. It's simple. And they took their time with the art, but they didn't do shit for anything else. Can I just, like, smack this dude? Can I? No? Okay. Okay, so... I go over here. And here, this is what I normally do, is I just switch between them both.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you gonna knock over some more plants? Oh, a scarecrow. See, there's a whole bunch of tiny little things in here that I just don't know. I just don't know what I'm doing, really. Ah, see, I get flustered. Okay, yeah, get up there. Get up there. Both of you go up. You're so slow at climbing. Yeah! Okay, and both of you go there. You go over. Then you go over. Bloop. Surf that rooftop. Okay, what's next? This fucking dick, dude! Just a huge asshole. Oh yeah, little brother can squeeze through this crap. Yeah. Oh yeah, go get him, puppy. This is seriously is just a puppy. Okay, super. What's over here? Anything? No. Okay. Anything? No. Okay. Go through here. What? Was there something with the well? See, I know it's like way later in the game you get to like a huge giant village. Like literally it was giant. It was a giant battlefield. Oh my god, this little bastard's a sick fuck. Instead of like making a wish or something like, oh, I can't do both. Instead of like making a wish or something, what does he do? Hakaluki. Okay, I would probably do the same. Shut up. That's not the point. Still, he's knocking over flowers and hawking loogies and just being a general dick. What is it?
Hey!
Oh, don't do it. Don't be a dick.
Hey!
Okay, I think Big Brother has to be the dick.
Hey!
Can I kick it?
Hey!
Okay. Don't know what all that is about. Okay, no, god damn it.
La la!
What'd you get for being a dick?
Meeple the meeple!
Closing gates and shit on me. Alright, let's get out of here. Alright, let's continue more. Look at how pretty! It's so pretty! Let's see what this dude has to do. Oh, you come over here. See what are you gonna do? Are you gonna piss on the plants? See what Big Brother did.
미보다?
Big Brother's... Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a kitty!
Oh,
It's a little
oh.
kitty!
oh.
Pet the kitty!
Ah,
What's little brother gonna do? Fucking toss him over the edge? I kinda don't want to find out.
Lila aimez-vous? Oh.
Oh, okay, he's nice to the
Il
kitty.
arrive beau.
That's good. Oh, and it's purring. Oh,
arrive beau.
sweet. Okay. I'm coming up to a huge dog asshole comes pretty soon.
hey, Henno.
It's like, leave me alone. You interrupted my nap. Splash water on it.
Asida!
What the fuck happened to do your job, asshole? So yeah,
Anna, when
you need to get
hadi?
there. So do your goddamn job. Thank you. How hard was that? Okay. God damn it. But what was over here? Yeah. Oh, the bench. Okay. Over there. Over there. And huh. Both sit down on the bench. And it's so pretty! That's my house way over there. Because that was the huge ass tree. Oh, wow. It is so pretty. I have to put up a counter. How many times I say pretty. But it really is. It really is. It's the only thing that it's got going for it. It's got very vivid colors. It's very, very well done. Very artistic. Like Fable. Which Fable? I'd probably have to say 3. Like Fable 3. So what do you do? Are you just gonna check it out again? Okay. And what are you gonna do? You gonna hawk another loogie? Yep. Such a hardcore one, too. Do you hear that phlegm coming up out of there? Just. What? Oh, I can knock on doors. It's police! Policia! Excuse me. Housekeeping! Housekeeping! You want mint on pillow? Housekeeping! Hello, housekeeping! Okay. What does Big Brother do? Just a harder knock? Housekeeping. Hello. Survey. Doom, 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 doom. Doom, 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 doom. Was he doing the Terminator thing? Was that like the beginning of Terminator? The Terminator theme music? It is, isn't it? Boom, 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 boom. It is! Holy shit! We're just gonna do it a couple more times. We're gonna shut up for a minute. Somebody out there on the internet, sync this up. Beautiful. It might have been like one note off. I need to get around here. Okay, little brother, what do you do? Oh, you balance it. And she's annoyed. It's like, I'm trying to sweep up my dirt. I just realized what she's doing. She's sweeping dirt. You get out of the way. Big brother, what do you do?
Diana.
Oh, you help out. Oh my god. Big Brother, right now, Big Brother is awesome. But later, he thinks with his dick and gets himself killed. Spoiler! Oh well. I'm probably not gonna play this. This game pisses me off.
Ma, when hadi?
Eh? Yeah, it's out that way somewhere. I don't know where. Sorry, my nose itch like crazy right now. I'm also dealing with slight allergies today. I thought you were gonna like knock her out of the chair. You've been dick to plants and everything else. Oh, there's chickens! Hello, chickens! I was actually trying to get him to knock out the plant over there. Chickens! Oh, I got a sneeze coming up. Oh, I can feel it. Okay, no, okay, it's just... Okay, no, you get out here and you go over there. Oh, it's so hard to do shit. Oh, I can toss it to her? Oh, that's so cool.
Atta!
Oh, cool! Oh, can I toss it to my brother?
Yeah!
Huh. Huh. Oh.
Atta!
Yeah. Get dunked on! Okay, where? Oh, it's just you. Okay. Gotta go back to school. Learn yourself some skills, girl. My sister can play better than you. It's true, she played basketball in school. One of them, anyway. Okay. Oh, get the squirrel! Oh! Can I get the squirrel? I want to get the squirrel. I want to get the squirrely squirrel. Hey, look! Another well... yeah, another well for me to hock a loogie in. Okay. Now that we got that out of the way. Okay, I need to... Oh, can I kick this guy in the ass? Like, see, the little brother is corrupting me now. Oh, I so totally smacked him! That was a good smack, too. Did you hear that? That was like whoosh type of thing. Whoosh. Oh, that was great. I just spit all over myself when I did that, too. Whoosh. I gotta do it one more time. What did Big Brother do?
Ona?
Like, oh hey!
Da, yeah.
Did I glitch out my thing? I did glitch out my thing! Look at my... The thing that I'm trying to find, like it's permanently stuck in my hand. Oh, that's weird. Okay. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay. Oh, God, I feel gross. Oh, I need to go down there. I don't know if there's like a benefit or anything, but I want to go down here. Little brother can be cool sometimes. What does Big Brother do? He's the one that sucks. Ah, fuck it. Okay. Can you cross this water? Yes, you can. Whoa, where am I going with little brother here? Okay. I wanted to do everything because I know I missed an achievement thingy. Maybe now it'll get fixed.
When hadi?
I'm trying to get drunk! Okay. think I got fixed. Yeah, I got fixed. Cool. Alright, so what does the little brother do? Oh, come on. Underage drinking. Am I sick now? What the hell do I do? Okay. Anyway, let's continue on through the very pretty forest. Oh no, there's... Oh, why does that look like somewhere I can go? Okay, I guess not. Okay. Okay, continue on. Oh, God. God. Okay, okay, okay. Fuck. Okay, this is the dumbass dog. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go fuck yourself. Get over here. Go Poochie Pooch. Get over here. Okay, so that little brother climb up over here. And climb up over here. And probably make it there. Can I? Nope. Okay. Yep. Okay. Up. What are you doing, stupid controller? Fuck! My controller's partially broken, so sometimes it'll keep going one way on the right trigger or on the right joystick. Get up there. My left joystick doesn't do it, but it's my right. So, like, playing FPS shooters. Ooh, that got close. I'll just start, like, drifting one way when I'm standing still. So I'm over there like this, I'm like, hey, there's my enemy, and then I'll stand still and try and get a good shot, not touching the directional looky-loo, and I'm just like, is that a butterfly? That's a pretty butterfly. As it gets annoying. It's funny though, I think it's funny. Sometimes. When I'm trying to get a sniper shot, it is not funny. Not funny at all. Woohoo! Oh, I'm fucked. Whoa! Oh, no, no, no. Up. Up. No, I bet you there was something down there. Can I look? I can't look. Can I look? Can I? Or what about this way? Can I look? Ah, oh, Christ. Okay, you go there. You go there. Up, up and over. And you do this, and you do that, and get off the thing. Good, but look at the water. Even the water itself is so pretty. Okay, and for big brother, go that way. Okay, little brother, that way. Okay, no, the middle. Up. Oh, why did you go way over there? Can I just go up? Up, okay. Up, okay. Yep. 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 Okay. 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 We're doing good. We are doing good. I am gonna be doing some shit. Some shitty shit. Okay. Let me guess. You just rattled the cage. Oh, let him free. See you later, little buddy. Oh, there's another bench. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Get up. Get me on the other side. Okay. Look at it, though. It is very, very pretty. Can I control camera? No, I can't. Okay. But it is, it's very vivid, very, very pretty. Where am I going with little brother? Okay. Oh! I'm supposed to put a sheep in the thing, of course. Ah. Too good. Thank you. Okay. I was like, work in reverse. That's what it was. Alright, you come back and go now. Okay. Okay. I got this. I got this. Maybe not in the bag, but it's near some sort of container. I know that. Go up. Oh. Okay. Up. 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 Oh yeah! Y'all hear that noise? It's a very deep, bassy noise. Oh, it's getting louder. It's getting louder. What could it possibly be? Oh my goodness, what could it be? It's a lamenting troll! The worst kind of troll. Thank you very much. Actually, the worst kind of troll would be, well, I mean, any type of troll. If they're mad at you, if they're cool with you, then, hey. Oh, you guys want some mushrooms on my back? They make you see pretty colors. Hey, guys. Hey, I'm gonna hock a loogie on you. Are you cool? Hey, you know where this is? Yeah, that's over there. Come on, I'll show you. I think he was actually saying like, hey, I'll get you over the mountain. So this? Or this? Okay. What do you do for this? Nothing? Okay. What do you do for this? Okay. I gotta test everything out because I know there's some easy achievements that I'm missing. And I'm all about the easy achievements. Oh, yeah. Okay. Hooah!
Hey!
Yeah.
And... Hooah! And that's my little buddy. He's gonna climb over. We're gonna sit on the bench and wait for him. Sit on the bench and wait for him. I would love... That's a thing there. That's a construct. I would love that to be my front porch view. I would do some Hitman stuff to have a view like that. I really would. That is amazing. That is glorious. I'd be a dwarf. I could build my house into the mountain and call it Moria. Okay. Yeah, let's swing this camera back around. Okay, see, there's my little buddy. And over. And do this. And over. See, that's the side of his house. It's like his living room. Or his linen closet. Thanks, buddy. Well, you're gonna help me out some more. We just gotta activate you. Whoa. Get up. Okay. Go over. Up. Wow, he got there fast. Hey, buddy. How's it going? How's it hanging? Oh, God. I would not want you to be coming after me in a bad way. Okay, so now we're going to play a troll catapult. Toss the humans! Oh no, that's right, we're going to use them as bridge. Get over! Oh, yeah, okay. I gotta wait for Trolly Troll. I gotta give him a name. What's a good name for a troll? Garrett! We're gonna go with Garrett. Garrett the Troll. Can't go with Tim, because that belongs to a tiny box. Can't go with Sam, because that belongs to a septic guy. So, we're gonna go with Garrett. Garrett the Troll. Now what do we do?
Yeah.
What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Oh, yeah. Okay. What are we doing? Cannonball! Well, I mean, yeah, relative size difference. We would have been screwed. Oh, yeah, I can't do that. Relative size difference. So if we had done it by ourselves, it would have been like smacking into concrete. But since the troll did it, and trolls are naturally resistant to damage. Have you ever tried to kill a troll? It's fucking hard, man. So we go through there? Okay. Let's, crawl through there. Crawl into the glowing blue rock orifice. That's great. The blue rock butthole! The rock's blue butthole. Whichever one sounds funnier. We can go with both. So, I really don't know where I'm going to call this at. I'm going to make it a little bit longer, probably half an hour. So I'm going to be playing for a while. I think getting beyond this troll part is like the first part of its mini part game. This is really cool what's coming up, because I remember it's very interesting, puzzle dynamics. Very cool. And I love this type of stuff because I love this type of constructs because I am a dwarf at heart. I really am. I love this. I love the architecture. But the puzzle dynamics are actually pretty interesting. No, I gotta stop on you and go with you. God damn it. And then the camera messes about. I'm getting all clustered. Let's see, where do I go? Let's go straight up. What are you doing? How are you doing? Are you doing? And with whom are you doing it with? Oh, that's right, I got to get the pipey thing. That's right. Okay. I remember. This one is kind of cool because it's just. Okay. Oh, yeah, that way first. Duh. It's like moving a couch. Come on. Which I've done all of my life. I have done moved people like crazy. Okay. Up. This part is see the puzzle dynamics of it? It's just it's cool. Like I like the puzzle and I like the art. But that's really all that I'm really liking out of it. There's not a combat system. And you have to outsmart people, so that's a thing. Dink-a-dink. Now, this stuff's moving. I can go across on here. And I'm just gonna destroy other machines so I can do what I want to do. Okay, how do I do? How do I do? Okay. Go over there. Go over there. Does that have a timer, or is it set? Can't remember. Look at these puzzle combinations. Like, this is cool. I would think that it's set, because that would take a long time to reset. Okay, God damn it, controller. I'm getting so confused with. Oh my God. Okay, you go that way. You go that way. Stop it. Hang out on this, so I can climb this. Doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doo. Oh, now I can get off. See, these, especially in here, these ones really stuck with me. There's more trolls working. Are they good? Like Garrett? Or are they bad? Like Steven. There's a Steven that I once knew. He was an asshole. Steven, not Stefan. There's a difference. You know who you are. Oh, look, fish! Hello, fishies. It's pretty. It's very pretty. How do you survive in that little ecosystem? Do I do anything with the fish? Do I have to do anything with the fish? Is that an achievement? I really want to check my achievements, but that would require giving out information on the interwebs to, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to tell you people all my information. Okay, yeah, and then little brother is that one. See, this is so confusing when you're controlling two different people. Ooh, okay. Huh. And good. Get on the thing. Okay, this is where I have to pay attention. So yes, this is a thing. Okay, so I can drop there, and now I can. I just want to make sure I don't get glitched. Shit, that has happened like that to me before. Itchy! Oh, it's so itchy. Okay, get on that. There you go. Is it gonna stay? No, it's not. Okay. I gotta keep twisting. Twist and shout, 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 twist and shout. And then I let go. Doesn't it? No, because I see the ledge. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's do this. Oh, there's a thing. I didn't even see it. Okay. No worries. Comes like once every second. Make my way downtown, moving fast, pace is fast, and I'm gonna deal with some trolls. Okay. Scooters. Okay. Oh no, I gotta go over here. Oh no, that's. I gotta go way. Don't I? Or can I just jump across? I can just jump across. Okay, I thought I had to move a thing. My bad. That bad was because of me. Go. Whee! Oh, no, get over! Fucking camera change! I hate it when it does that. Oh yeah, and then I gotta grab onto you, Go there. Yeah. I am getting this. It does that Tomb Raider a hell of a lot. The camera change will fuck up my trajectory. And then I end up falling off an icy cliff. And it's not fair, because game designers should have tested that possibility. Okay. Sorry. I can probably stop with you. Drop. Okay. Oh, bring it on back. Bring it back on. You can't. See? My controller. Fuck you, controller! Yep. No, grab the thing! Try to make it a full circle, but I can't. Oh, that was so cool. Whee! Woo! I really kind of wanted to drop him right there. Just to see what would happen. I think that would have been funny. Still no reason why that troll was lamenting. Only that he was crying about something. There were 2 beds. I would think that we could take away from that he is missing his beloved. I know what's going on, but as first-time viewers, or possible first-time viewers, y'all don't know what the hell is going on. So, I got to... Oh, do I have to do that? God, I hate doing crap like that. Even in Tomb Raider. That was a lot of momentum for that little kid. He must have huge biceps, like plus 20 biceps. Okay, another bench. Yep. Oh, it's so cool. It really is. It really is. Something I just noticed, if these chains are meant to be carrying something other than me, why do they have, like, oh, excuse me, why do they go through, like, the really slim stuff that is only meant for the chain? Wouldn't that be counterproductive to the mining process? Oh, do I gotta, yeah.
Atta!
Huh. Oh, God. Huh. Okay, stop, big brother. Huh. Huh. What the fuck? Oh, what the hell was I supposed to do? What was it? I did the thing. Maybe Big Brother has to go first? Doing stuff like that. Even in Tomb Raider, I don't like heights. Ha! Do I... Oh, there we go. This is only meant for humans. I don't know what they would put on the system like this. Oh, crap. Go, 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 Apparently we're heavy enough to start a chain reaction to death. Okay. It's Mrs. Garrett! Not that Mrs. Garrett. For some of the older crowd. Not her. It's Garrett's wife. Mrs. Garrett, it's... Okay. It's Garrett... It's Garrett Lebowski. How about that? Can we give him that name? Garrett Lebowski. Oh, because it's... Okay. I need to use you. Oh, I can only go so far? Son of a bitch. That's right. Don't rattle them bones. No, thank you, Mr. Skeleton. Don't rattle them bones and bones, them crazy bones. I am gonna have to deal with them though. That is for sure. No, you go there. You go there. Do I have the thing? No, I have to continuously hold on to the thing. That's right. I have to trap the other dude. I have to trap the guard. Yeah, I got it. I got it now. It's my. Oh, it is fading. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn on a light. Be prepared for white balance. There we go. I didn't know.
Hey,
I was
Maru!
Shh. Yeah, shut up, fucker. Okay. The light as well. Okay. Is that better? Yeah, that looks better. Okay. Oh, shit balls. You go there. You go there. Woohoo! Okay. Yeah. Come here a little bit. Suck it! Okay. Am I still good? Do I need to, like, go on full light over here? I'm gonna do behind the scenes type of thing. Yeah, oh my god, this is shit. Okay, I'm gonna pause it for a second and deal with this light. Hey, okay, so I got it figured out. That works a bit better. I am super white, and I don't know how long I've been recording, but I know that I am done with this troll thing. I'm coming, you fuck. So I just need to. Oh yeah. I need to get her out of here. Okay. Go there. Go there. Go. And. Ba-doop-a-doop. Now I gotta bring it back. Twisty. Twisty. And push it forward so I can get across. Hooray! I can do puzzles! I think I deserve a gold star today. I think so. I feel like it's coming my way. Gold stars inbound. If I could do that, if I had the know-how and the brains to do that, I'd have stars shooting across. Pew, 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 pew. Stars. What's going on with you? Why are you like hurt? I'm sorry. Like I said, I'm dealing with allergies, so my throat is just all clogged up. And I don't do any voice exercises before I do this. But I was gonna be screaming at this like I would be Dark Souls, so I think I'm good. Oh god, I think I've been recording for almost an hour now. I don't know. I have to check it out. But this is gonna be fucktard. Oh, no. Oh, that's what I do. Okay. Get him to fuck up lights because I can't. Yeah. Okay. Which way are you gonna go? You gonna come over here? Can you come over here? Listen! Over there. Woo! Oh, yep. me do it. Need to continuously do this so that he doesn't screw it up. I just killed a troll. Hopefully I killed the troll. Trolls are hard to kill. Maybe I just did. Maybe he's just unconscious because I did non-lethal. Well, that probably would have been lethal bashing. Hey, Garrett! Garrett Lebowski? We found Mrs. Lebowski. Why am I thinking Lebowski? Is that a movie? The Big Lebowski? I don't think I ever saw that one. I wanted to. The one with the dude! Is that the one I'm thinking of? I really hope so. Yeah. Oh, so I guess he was saying like my wife knows that you have to help me try and find her. Boshoya? Hi there, nice to see you. Bumblebee Tuna? Okay. Anybody who gets that reference. Alright. So, is that all's well that ends well? It sure looks like it. Yay! Okay, so there we go. My daddy's gonna die. Oh yeah.
Die.
Get the bucket just in case you need to use the bucket. Oh god, I don't know if there's anybody out there that actually has like a full-on, almost mouth-covering beard like what I do. I try to keep it trimmed away from my lips. But to throw up and then just to get some of it in there, oh god, it's disgusting. And if you're sick, you don't really care. I wash it out right away because I know if I don't, it's gonna smell later. Ugh, it's just gross. Okay, so am I done with the first part? I am done with the first part. I know that. I've got evil eyes coming after me. Holy shit. Fuck. Okay. Yeah. Oh god, I don't see. This is just a story, so I don't know. I don't know where to call it, but I'm gonna call it here before it gets any more dangerous. I've got me a torch. There was an autosave, so I'm gonna call it here. Like I said, it's very, very confusing to use, like this is all Big Brother stuff, and this is all Small Brother stuff, or Little Brother stuff. And it's just very confusing. Even just trying to get them walking a straight line, you have to group them together, and then you have to just move both the sticks forward, so that I personally don't lose any track of it. But holy crap! The only thing, just like what Blood of the Werewolf, the only thing that it's really got going on is the art style. I love the puzzle mechanics in it. It's very intuitive. It's very co-op. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, it is time to quit. Okay, so thank you everybody for joining me. With whatever you do, always have fun and go out there and punch life right in the face. Alright, I'll see you guys later.